Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mir Nizamuddin from Group GMM 28 Semester 4th. Today my presentation is drugs affecting on thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is vital hormone gland. It plays a major role in the metabolism, growth and development of the human body. It helps to regulate many body functions by constantly releasing a steady amount of thyroid hormone into the bloodstream. If the body needs more energy in certain situations, for instance, if it is growing or cold or during pregnancy, the thyroid gland produces more hormones. This organ, medical term glandula thyroidea, is found at the front of the neck under the voice box. It is butterfly shaped. The two side lobes lie against and around the windpipe trachea and are connected at the front by a narrowing stripe of tissue. The thyroid weighs between 20 and 60 gram on average. It is surrounded by two fibrous capsules. The outer capsule is connected to the voice box muscle and many important vessels and nerves. There is a loose connective tissue between the inner and the outer capsule, so the thyroid can move and change its position when we swallow. The thyroid tissue itself consists of lot of small individual lobules that are enclosed in thin layer of connective tissue. These lobules contain a great number of small vesicles, sacs called follicles, which store thyroid hormone in the form of little droplets. Pineal gland, a small gland near the center of brain, melatonin. The TSH receptor is a member of the G protein coupled receptor. Thyroglobulin, thyroid peroxidase, thyroxine, thyroid thyronine. The thyroid hormone regulates the body metabolic rate, controlling heart muscle and digestive function, brain development and bone maintenance. Its correct functioning depend on a good supply of iodine from the diet. Synergism, skeletal muscle, adaptive thyrogenesis, endogenesis, glucose production, glucose homeostasis, cardiovascular function, blood pressure, heart rate, myocardial repair. Goiter, an enlarged thyroid gland due to any case, is called a goiter. For the gland to be palpable, it must be at least 40 gram. A patient with goiter may euthyroid, hyperthyroid, and hypothyroid. Hypothyroidism, also called underreactive thyroid, low thyroid, or hypothyrosis, is a disorder of the endocrine system in which the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormone. Symptom of underreactive thyroid: tiredness, being sensitive to cold, weight gain, constipation, depression, slow movement and thoughts, muscle aches, weakness, muscle cramps. What is hypothyroidism? Symptom, causes and treatment. Standard treatment of hypothyroidism involve daily use of synthetic thyroid hormone, levothyroxine, Levo-T, Synthroid, other. This oral medication restores adequate hormone level, reversing the sign and symptom of hypothyroidism. Keratinism, congenital hypothyroidism, underreactive of the thyroid gland at the birth, which result in growth retardation, development delay, and the abnormal features. Keratinism can be due to deficiency of iodine in the mother diet during pregnancy. Hyperthyroidism, overreactive thyroid, occur when the thyroid gland produces too much of the hormone thyroxine. Hyperthyroidism can accelerate body metabolism, causing unintentional weight loss and rapid irregular heartbeat. Several treatments are available for hypothyroidism. Symptom of an overactive thyroid: nervousness and anxiety, irritability, mood swings, difficult sleeping, persistent tiredness, weakness, sensitivity to heat, swelling in the neck from enlarged thyroid gland goiter, and irregular and unusually fast heart rate, palpitation, twitching and trembling, grave disease and a immune system disorder that result in the overproduction of the thyroid hormone hypothyroidism. Although a number of disorders may result in hypothyroidism, grave disease is a common cause. They may enter into the bloodstream and the immune system perceive as a foreign substance and antibiotics are produced against them. Anti-thyroperoxidase antibody. Standard treatment for Hashimoto disease is levothyroxine, the synthetic form of thyroxine T4. However, extracts are available that contain thyroid hormone derived from the thyroid gland of pigs. These products are more thyroid, for example, contain both levothyroxine and thyronine. Potassium iodide. Idomarine. The most rapid effect at pharmacologic doses of Ki is to decrease thyroglobulin proteolysis, thereby decrease thyroid hormone secretion. The resulting slight reduction of T4 and T3 concentration in the serum cause transient increase of thyroxine TSH concentration in serum. Tablet 100 200 mcg. Parental have not. Parental doses. Half-life for 24 hours. Common side effects of potassium iodide include allergic reactions, skin rashes such as hives, swelling of various spots of the body such as the face, lips, tongue, thyroid, hands or feet, fever with joint pain, trouble breathing, speaking or swelling, wheezing or shortness of breath. Levothyroxine brand name Levoxil. Synthroid, Unithroid. Levothyroxine oral tablet used to treat hypothyroidism. It's also used to treat goiter and certain type of thyroid cancer. Levothyroxine comes in three forms: an oral tablet, an oral capsules, and injectable solution. Enteral doses from 25 mcg to 300 mcg. Parental dose 100 mcg per 5 milliliter. And half-life is 6 to 7 days. The more common side effect of levothyroxine can include increased appetite, weight loss, heat sensitivity, excessive sweating, headache, hyperactivity, nervousness, and anxiety. Anti-thyroid agent inhibit the synthesis of thyroxine and thyronine. Methimazole, thyroxis, Northex, tapazole, tablet 5 mg, 10 mg. Parental doses, half-life 5 to 6 hours. Propylthiouracil, propylthiouracil tablet 50 mg, 1 to 2 half-life. Common side effects may include nausea, vomiting, upset stomach, headache, dizziness, drowsiness, numbers or tingly feelings, rash, itching, skin decolorization, muscle hair, joint pain, hair loss, or decreased sense of taste. Mechanism of action: methimazole and propylthiouracil inhibit the production of new thyroid hormone in the thyroid gland. It acts by inhibiting the enzyme thyroid peroxidase, which usually function to convert iodide to the iodine molecule and incorporate the iodine molecule into amino acid thyroxine.